Hello, my dear listeners. Welcome to today's English listening practice. The story you are about to hear is called When Life Teaches, We Grow Stronger. This story is all about how the lessons we learn from life, even the painful or difficult ones, help us become wiser, braver, and stronger. Sometimes life teaches us through failure. Sometimes it teaches us through love, loss, or change. But every experience, good or bad, helps us grow. When we understand this truth, we stop being afraid of challenges and start seeing them as teachers. So, as you listen today, try to think about your own life, the moments that have helped you grow stronger inside. Are you ready? Let's begin our story. When life teaches, we grow stronger. Life is not like a school where we know the schedule, subjects, and exams. Life's lessons come without warning. Sometimes they arrive when we least expect them, in moments of failure, loss, or disappointment. But each experience, no matter how painful, teaches us something valuable. For example, when we lose something we love, we learn about gratitude and appreciation. When we fail, we learn humility and perseverance. When we are rejected, we learn patience and self-worth. The world itself becomes a classroom, and every day is a lesson. A person who is open to learning from life never stops growing. They understand that every experience, good or bad, has a purpose. Instead of saying, "Why did this happen to me?" they start asking, "What is life trying to teach me?" Failure is one of life's most powerful teachers. It breaks our pride, challenges our beliefs, and forces us to think differently. Many people fear failure, but in truth, it is the doorway to success. When a child learns to walk, they fall many times, but they do not give up. They fall, cry, get up, and try again. That's how they learn balance and strength. In the same way, every failure in life teaches us how to stand taller next time. When we fail, we often feel discouraged. We might lose confidence or feel like giving up. But if we look deeper, failure shows us what we need to improve. It helps us build resilience. It teaches us that success is not about never falling. It's about getting up every single time we do. Pain is another great teacher. It teaches us empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When we experience pain, we realize how others feel when they go through suffering. Pain makes our hearts softer. Sometimes pain teaches us about letting go. We hold on to things, people, or dreams, thinking we cannot live without them. But when life takes them away, we discover our inner strength. We learn that happiness does not depend on what we have, but on who we are inside. There's a saying, "You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice." When life hurts us, it also prepares us. It shapes our character. It teaches us how to heal, forgive, and move forward. Every scar we carry tells a story, not of weakness, but of survival. Pain changes us, but it also awakens our courage. Change is a constant part of life. Nothing stays the same forever. People come and go. Seasons change. Opportunities appear and disappear. Sometimes, we resist change because it feels uncomfortable. But change is necessary for growth. When we face change, we have two choices: fight it or learn from it. Those who fight it often suffer more because they hold on to what is gone. But those who accept it learn to adapt and grow stronger. Think of a tree. When strong winds blow, its branches bend, but they do not break. The roots grow deeper into the soil to stay firm. Similarly, when life changes unexpectedly, we must bend, not break. We must grow deeper roots, faith, patience, and hope. Change teaches us flexibility. It helps us discover new sides of ourselves. Maybe we lose a job, and that loss leads us to find a better path. Maybe a relationship ends, and that ending helps us learn self-love. Every change carries a hidden gift if we are willing to see it. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are not the end of the world. They are a natural part of being human. When we make mistakes, we learn responsibility, awareness, and wisdom. The important thing is not to deny our mistakes or repeat them, but to learn from them. When we learn, our mistakes become stepping stones to success. A student who gets a wrong answer learns to study harder next time. A driver who takes a wrong turn learns to pay better attention. A person who speaks harshly learns the power of gentle words. Our mistakes shape us more than our victories. They teach us humility and compassion. When we understand our own flaws, we stop judging others harshly. That understanding makes us better people. Patience is one of life's hardest lessons. We live in a fast world where everyone wants quick results, but real growth takes time. Waiting teaches us trust. It reminds us that good things take effort and patience. Just like seeds need time to grow into trees, our dreams need time to blossom. Sometimes we wait for love, success, or healing. We feel tired, wondering why things are not happening faster. But during the waiting period, something beautiful happens. We grow in silence. We become stronger, wiser, and more grateful. Life teaches us that waiting is not wasted time. It is the time we are being prepared for something greater. Love also teaches us powerful lessons. It teaches us to care, to give, to forgive, and to understand others deeply. True love is not just about happiness. It's also about sacrifice, patience, and growth. When we love someone, we learn how to share our heart. When love hurts, we learn how to let go and still wish the other person well. Love teaches us that kindness and understanding are stronger than anger or pride. It helps us see the beauty in others and ourselves. Even when love ends, the lessons stay. Every person we love becomes a teacher in our story. They teach us what we want, what we need, and who we are meant to be. Nature is another gentle teacher. It shows us the importance of balance, patience, and renewal. The sun rises and sets every day, teaching us that endings are not forever. Every night is followed by a new dawn. Trees shed their leaves in autumn, teaching us that letting go is necessary for new growth. Rivers flow around obstacles, teaching us flexibility. When we observe nature, we learn to live in harmony with change. We learn to rest when it's time to rest and to bloom when the season is right. Nature reminds us that life is a cycle of growth, rest, and renewal, and that every stage has beauty and purpose. Every person we meet teaches us something. Some people teach us what kindness looks like. Others teach us what patience means. Some hurt us, and from them, we learn about forgiveness and boundaries. Life often sends people to help us grow. Sometimes they stay. Sometimes they only pass through. But everyone has a purpose in our story. A teacher might teach us discipline. A friend might teach us loyalty. A stranger might teach us compassion. Even those who disappoint us teach us how to protect our peace. The key is to see every interaction as a lesson, not just a coincidence. When we learn from life, we grow stronger inside. Strength is not about muscles or power. It's about character. It's about the ability to keep smiling after tears, to keep believing after disappointment, and to keep loving after heartbreak. A strong person does not live a problem-free life. They simply learn to handle problems with grace. They face difficulties with courage. They turn pain into wisdom and sadness into strength. Life's lessons are like weights in a gym. Each one makes us stronger if we lift it with courage. The more we face, the more we grow. Learning from life is not automatic. Some people go through pain and become bitter, while others go through the same pain and become wiser. The difference is in the attitude. Wisdom comes when we take time to reflect, When something difficult happens, ask yourself, what is life teaching me? What can I do better next time? How can this experience make me a kinder, stronger person? When we reflect, we turn experiences into wisdom. Wisdom is what helps us live peacefully and make better choices in the future. In the end, all of life's lessons, even the hard ones, are gifts. They help us grow into the person we are meant to become. If we look back at our past, we can see how every challenge taught us something valuable. The moments that once broke our hearts may have given us the strength we use today. The failures that embarrassed us may have built our courage. The people who left may have made space for better ones. When we are grateful for life's lessons, even the painful ones, we start to live with peace. We stop fighting life and start trusting it. Every day, life teaches us something new, sometimes in whispers, sometimes in storms. What matters is that we keep listening and keep growing. When we accept life as a teacher, we stop fearing challenges. We understand that growth is not always easy, but it is always worth it. We become stronger not because life is kind, but because we choose to learn from everything it gives us. Remember, failures teach us resilience, pain teaches us compassion, change teaches us flexibility, waiting teaches us patience, love teaches us kindness. Mistakes teach us wisdom. Each lesson shapes us, molds us, and prepares us for a better tomorrow. When life teaches, we grow stronger is not just a saying. It is a truth we discover as we live. Every trial is a test. Every experience is a chapter. And every moment is a teacher. We are all students in the classroom of life. The lessons may be difficult, but they are priceless. So when life gets tough, don't lose heart. Take a deep breath and remind yourself, this is another lesson. I am growing stronger. With every step, every fall, and every rise, we become wiser, braver, and more compassionate. That is the beauty of life. It teaches, and through learning, we become the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much for listening to today's story. When life teaches, we grow stronger. I hope this story reminded you that every difficulty in life has a hidden lesson. Every challenge helps you grow a little wiser and stronger. No matter what you are facing right now, remember that life is not punishing you. It is teaching you. The more you learn, the more powerful and peaceful you become inside. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English listening stories. Your support helps us grow together. Keep learning, keep believing, and never forget, when life teaches, you always grow stronger. See you again in the next story.